going on, guys, and welcome to Yoda Expedition. We got the 5th gen 4Runner here in the shop, and we just installed some fog lights from AlphaRex. These fog lights are dual colors, so just by flipping the switch on the stock, you can go from yellow to white, which is a cool function. These are going to be a really easy install, so let's go ahead and show you what's included and show you how to install them. Everything that you're going to have in the box is both of your fog lights, some screws to install them if you need them, and then also some zip ties to do some wire management if you need those as well. Now, these fog lights might not be the brightest ones on the market for your 4Runner, but they are priced well at 150 bucks for the pair, which isn't bad. And these are going to be brighter than your OEM ones, and they have a nice black housing, which looks really good. And the biggest thing about these is they have a dual color function, so you can switch them from yellow to white with just switching the fog light switch on your light stock. Installation on these is going to be really easy. You're just going to have to take 2 screws out of your factory fog light, unplug it, plug this one in, and put those 2 screws back in. It's as simple as that. Now, our 4Runner has a little bit of modifications done here on the front end where we have our bumper cut and also our fender liner. So it's going to be a lot easier for us to just reach up in there and get those screws removed for our fog lights. If yours is all factory, you're just going to have to do a little bit of extra work. Maybe take out a couple bolts to get the fender liner pulled away so you can get your hand back there. But other than that, it's going to be pretty easy. So once you get to the point where you have your fender liner out of the way and you can get your hand back behind the bumper, all you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So we have this little short one here, and there's just going to be 2 Phillips head screws on the back side of your fog light, holding the bracket into your bumper. So we're going to go ahead and take those out. Just get those 2 screws removed, and then we just have the plug on the back of the fog light, and they'll come out as easy as that. So once you get those 2 screws out, you can go ahead and pull the fog light out. You'll see that these 2 fingers go into those tab holes there on the inside of the bumper. So just pull those out, and then we can go ahead and get the plug undone, and that's it. So once you have your OEM fog light removed, we'll just go ahead and match it up with the new one here to make sure that the orientation is right and make sure the mounting holes and everything look good. So we'll go ahead and take our new one and get it into the bumper. So just like when we took the OEM one out, we'll take these 2 tabs and we'll put those into those 2 slots and then reinstall our 2 screws. Screws are tight, and then we can go ahead and just plug that in. This side is done. We'll go ahead now and do the one on the driver's side. All right, guys, that's going to do it. This is the install of the AlphaRex dual color fog lights on the 5th gen 4Runner. If you guys have any questions about this install, ask us down below in the comments. And if you want to grab a set of these for your 4Runner, Tacoma, or Tundra, you can head over to yodaexpedition.com. Click the link in our description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.